Day 4 for Army Recognition Group at EDEX 2021 in Cairo, Egypt. Today, let's see with us a South Korean company which built some VTOL UAV called Neptune, and after that, products of the French defense industry.
My name is Wael Mubarak. I am the chairman of EDEX International for Defense System. We have been present our product in the market from 2003. Exactly in Iraq operation, the first stage of our platform has been applied for some armored vehicle, and we changing the whole message of our address and the target to military vehicle. So we have here a few quite of different version. We have been applied from 2011, which is we successfully get certified by international community, started from German, Liberty, and Turkish, British. And we successfully get a lot of quite few, 1,000 of armored vehicle has been distributed in African and in Middle East market. And successfully we have a new version we presented today in 2021 EDEX for the Special Forces. It is call it half tactical armored vehicle or light armored vehicle. It's using by many of the special forces in the border control, and we have a quite very interested operation demand as it has been used, and people was really pleased to have this product with them. Our company mainly building according to the demand of armored vehicle used by end user. So we see what exactly the environment you need to use this armored vehicle, what's the aim of using armored vehicle. It is only protecting the people or even attacking and try to make a surveillance with protecting people together. So it is different aim with different department in each of police and military, addressing this to our technical team, and technical team coming with solutions. So we have a quite case study with different environment in Saudi, in Yemeni, in center of Sudan, center of African, and some of Middle East. Our company based from beginning in Dubai, Dubai Investment Park, and we changed it to Aqaba investment area of armored industry. And now we establish a new company. It is not new, it is now more than 11 years in Egypt, based with the vehicle department in the military base. We try to distribute our product between Middle East and Africa as a main market for us now. And I hope that our product will be attracting some of our clients in the international community. We already interested to continue with 2021, 2022, because actually we have a good place in EDEX Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and inshallah we'll be there with a new product. We now work with a huge product of AMRAP, Stanek 3 and 4, and this will be the booming of our presenting in the EDEX coming soon.
I'm Alexandre Massonnet. I'm export sales for the Middle East for MC2 Technologies. We are a French company specialized in microelectronics, and we developed counter UAV solutions. EDEX is a very important exhibition for us because the market in the Middle East and in Africa are markets who have needs for this kind of solutions, and the relations between France and Egypt are excellent. We provide our solutions to the French army and also to export customers, and we'll be really glad to have our solutions in Egypt. We are offering portable solutions The most famous one, it's the NEOD RF. This solution has been ordered by the French Army and also by foreign customers. It's very mature solutions thanks to the feedback of our first users. The system is very light, 6 kilograms in operation modes. It's compact, less than 1 meter long, and it's very ergonomic, very easy to use, and very efficient because we can jam up to 7 frequency bands at the same time, 5 communication protocols and 2 GPS and likewise communications systems. We are also proposing the NEOD HG handgun. It's the compact version of the NEOD RF, very light, less than 2 kilos, and it can jam up to 3 frequency bands at the same time. This is more for close protections, VIPs or people who need a very compact and very light system that they can put in the backpack. We are also offering a full solution to deal with the drone threat. This solution is based on 3 devices. The first one, it's a radar. It's a specific radar designed to detect drones because drones are very difficult to detect because of the size and because of the composition of composite materials. This radar, we combine it with the radio frequency sensors to get information on the drone and to get the localizations of the pilot. And finally, to neutralize the threat, we have a tactical jammer that is called the MAGES. And we use these jammers with antennas. We can offer omnidirectional antennas to create a bubble of protections around the area you want to protect. And we can also propose sectorial antennas. The interest of sectorial antennas is that you jam outside of the perimeter you want to protect, and this you're sure that there are no risk of electromagnetic jamming in your own area. This kind of jammers, they are very useful and very efficient because they can deal with swarm drones. If you have an attack from multiple drones from different directions, with the omnidirectional jammers and the sectorial antennas, you can face all the drones at the same time.
My name is Ilyas Kogarov and I'm the marketing director of Optix company, Bulgaria. We are a company situated in the town of Panguriște with more than 550 people working throughout the whole process of production of optical devices. Within the group of Optix, with the commercial companies, we are around 1,000 people. We are exhibiting here because of our long cooperation with the Egyptian Armed Forces, with the Egyptian Ministry of Interior. We have series of our devices delivered already here, and for us it is very, very important to get the voice of the customer here. We are meeting lots of our end users, we are meeting lots of our customers and partners to discuss what else we can improve within our devices and what new technologies we can present for their needs. These are our latest generations of thermal imaging devices that we are offering on the market. For instance, this is the Diana IR50. So it has 15mm focal length of the objective that allows detection of a person at 1.3 kilometers and recognition of a person at 430 meters. It has our own thermal imaging engine inside, which is called the Expo. It has 17 micron pitch and it has resolution of 640 by 480 and very, very sophisticated functionalities like different palettes, different filters that can be applied depending on the environment that's there. So we believe that it can be in service for a variety of missions for the different army divisions. The other device that we would like to present is really a unique one, is the thermal imaging sight for RPG-7. The thing here is that you can use it during the day, during the night, and you can change the philosophy indeed of using an RPG-7. You have variety of ballistics changes here, so with software you can change the different grenade that you're using, thermobaric, tandem round. All of this can be fitted into the software of the device. And the other device that we would like to present is our latest development of our identifier. This is our thermal imaging binocular. with 100mm focal length in front that allows detection of a person at 2.6 kilometers and detection of a vehicle of 6.7 kilometers. The new thing here is that we have integrated modules for Wi-Fi transmission and GPS. The Egyptian market is traditionally very, very important for us. As I mentioned, we are here for around almost 10 years with close cooperation within the different services of the Army. So we would like to tighten the connections, to listen closely to the voice of the customer and to adapt our technologies to the certain needs that the different services are having here. The same is also for the region. We are quite happy that we had the opportunity to meet the different official delegations and to be able to present them our latest technologies.
Hello, my name is Hayden, project manager, company name XSV from South Korea. And I'm very happy to be here in Egypt, and I could see the great opportunity here. This is the ISR UAV, which means mostly for the intelligence and surveillance and reconnaissance drone. And this is the eVTOL type, which means vertical takeoff and landing. So we supplied this to Korean Army last year, and they did test operation more than half a year and verified. So they decided to the mass military deployment to next year. So we are now preparing for the mass production around more than 150 set of the drone. This is only propelled by electric battery, and which having its maximum endurance up to 2 hours. So that is the great advantage than other product. It can take off vertically. It means it doesn't have any infrastructure, extra infrastructure for the takeoff. So it can be used any kind of area very easily. That is the most big advantage. The country Egypt itself has a great opportunity for the defense business. So I just wanted to attend this kind of exhibition as much as possible. And yeah, I could meet many great companies here and great persons. So yeah, I'm already satisfied.